Today I'm going to show you how to use artboards in Affinity Designer. Artboards are incredibly useful for organizing multiple designs or variations within a single project, making your workflow much more efficient. Let's get started by launching Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either open your existing file or create a new file to work with. This is where you'll begin setting up your artboards to organize your design work. Now look over to the left sidebar where you'll find various tools available in Affinity Designer. Click on the Artboard tool. This tool is specifically designed to help you create and manage multiple artboards within your project, giving you the flexibility to work on different design variations or pages simultaneously. After selecting the Artboard tool, you'll notice something interesting appears on your existing artboard. You'll see a four-sided border with plus icons positioned at the top, bottom, left, and right sides. These plus icons are incredibly handy for quickly duplicating your current artboard. If you want to easily copy your artboard, simply click on any of these plus signs, whether it's the top, left, right, or bottom one. Clicking any of these will instantly duplicate your artboard in that direction, maintaining the same dimensions and settings as your original. But what if you need a customized size for your artboard? Affinity Designer makes this simple too. If you want to create an artboard with specific dimensions that suit your project needs, just drag your cursor across the blank area of your canvas. You can create either a square or rectangle shape by simply dragging to define the size you want. This gives you complete control over the dimensions of your new artboard, allowing you to tailor it perfectly to your design requirements. And there you have it. You now know how to create, duplicate, and customize artboards in Affinity Designer, giving you the tools to organize your projects more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.